Cearcador Theaghlach agus fáilte go dtí mo Theaghlach. Seo gná level, okay? This is an ordinary level, not higher level. So, what are we trying to do here? We want to be able to talk about our Theaghlach, mo Theaghlach, my household, okay? So we have a few tasks here, okay? So task iver hain. Scríomh alt gear. Alt gear is a short little paragraph. Okay, so what are we doing here? Each one of these green boxes is a sentence. Okay, so you're answering the question here. So, cé bheith duine atá sa bhaile? How many people are at home? So we need to choose one from this box. The next, you choose one from this box, one from here, and one here. So pretty straightforward. Tá, there is. Birch, no trúr, no cather, no cougar. There are 2, 3, 4, 5 people. Again, of us, sa bhaile, or sa Theaghlach. So you have 2 options there, okay? So if you wanted to say, there are 3 of us at home, what would you say? You'd say, tá trúr a gwyn sa bhaile, or sa bhaile. Okay, so see how that works. So there's your question, and then down below that is the next one then. Okay, so the question is cé bheith duine, and then the busk, your green box is where the answer is. Okay, that's A. Then B and sin, cé bheith drithar no drithór atá agat. How many brothers and sisters? Okay, and you have 2 options. See that says no, that means or. Okay, so and there you go. So you say how many brothers or sisters you have, and then you name those. Okay, and then C, céin duine is sinne, who is the eldest. Céin duine is óige, who is the youngest. Okay, and there you go. That's how you answer that. That's task a hain. Okay, so task a dó. Task a dó. Jack agus Julia, right? Tá ceistena an seo. So Jack is there, tá sé caint mise arís, conas atá sibh, couple of focal faoi mo Theaghlach anis. A couple of words about my household now. Tá séisir a gcuin sa bhaile. There are 6 of us at home. Tá Bert dritharacha a gum, sin iad Luke agus Mike. Agus tá drithfúr a bháin a gum, sin Aoife, or sin Saoirse. Luke an duine is sinne, agus Saoirse an duine is óige. Now we just did that, didn't we? Okay, is sinne agus is óige. So have a look there if you're not sure. Okay, so tá ceistena an seo. Iver a hain. Cé bheith duine atá sa bhaile ag Jack? How many people are at home? Okay, in Jack's house. What does he say? Okay, iver a dó. Cé bheith drithar atá aige? How many brothers does he have? Iver a 3. Cad is anam duna dritharacha? What are their names? Iver a 4. Cé bheith drithfór atá aige? How many sisters does he have? Iver a 5. Cad is anam de? What is her name? His sister, that is. Iver a 6. Céin duine is sinne? Iver a 7. Céin duine is óige? Iver a 8. Céin duine is fear leis agus céin fá? Who is his favourite and why? Okay, so that's task a dó. You have Jack and then you have Julia. Now I won't tell you what the questions mean below because they're very similar to the questions that you have there for Jack. Okay, so answer the questions in your copy. Alright, you don't have to write the questions, but you can. Okay, if that helps you having the questions there and helps you learn those questions, then go for it. Okay, don't forget all of this work will be submitted, so the quality of the work and is very important to have it very neat. Okay, task iver 3. So same as you had in task a hain, buska gloss, green box. Okay, so you're making your sentences. So you're saying ish age, okay? The age of people in your family. So tell us, like, how old are people in your family? So, for example, tá mom, let's find where we are there. Is she the first one there? Is she between 1 and 10? Don't think so. Between 11 and 12, 21 and 30? Or is she down there if you wanted to look at, like, see, daha de 3? Okay, so you might say, tá mom, no mom, daha de 3, tá dad, daha de 4, or whatever. Okay, so see if you can work that out there, okay? Then we have Sulia, Gruig, agus Irunti accessories, okay? So we want to describe who, what colour eyes do people have, okay? So tá Sulia Gurama Ege, okay? He has blue eyes. So you could be talking about your brother, okay? Tá Gruig un Ake. Okay. Tá gruig gon ake. See that? Okay. And then you do a couple of these as well. We're talking about Sulia and then Cahan Shay, Crumail, Cahan Shay, Faso, Cahan Shay, Spakely. See that? Cahan Shay, he wears glasses. Okay, so if there's somebody in your family who wears glasses, you could use that. Okay? Keep going and do as much as you can there. Okay, now we're into extra challenge territory now. Okay, so you have extra challenges here, which is this Leibhishkent, reading comprehension. Okay, so have a read of that. Cod is anam do hishmahori jack. So tishmahori, awami agus yadi. That's your tishmahori. Cod is anam do cot. Okay, I'm digging to cot. Meow, shin cot. K a chahan spakely. Sorry. K a chahan spakely. Who wears spakely? Glasses. Cain sort dinne a Luke. What kind of person is Luke? K atá fion sachalan. Who is? You'll have to look up what colour hair that is fion. Cad a chahan Mike Eracluus. What does Mike wear on his ear? Cain sort dinne a Mike. What kind of person is Mike? Cain rud knock will egg Saoirse go fá. Okay, what kind of thing does Saoirse not have? Okay, and then there's another extra challenge there as well. Okay, so you don't have to do that. That's an optional piece of work for anyone who wants to really push themselves and challenge themselves. Okay, slán fág gur míle maith agus go nairi leat. Don't forget to déanaan obair I the co-player agus uas lódál go dtí teams. Okay, slán